Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you for this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai Daily Observations. Today is Wednesday 30th of November 2022 and today we are expecting market to move in a specific range like how we are observing for past couple of days. At the same time, today being a month end day, I am expecting market will try to be bullish in the beginning for the first half, and then after that there will be some subtle profit booking. Today can be one day where we will observe that the profit booking is becoming steady and it will be visible to us in couple of days like today and tomorrow. We should be able to see the profit booking which is visible, and now Nifty will not be able to sustain to the level of 18,600 at least for this particular week, right? So again, let's go to chart and try to understand what I'm trying to explain here. This is my Nifty chart. See, now what is happening here, we are into an uptrend. So we are getting an uptrend and then there is a correction, then there is an uptrend, then smaller correction, uptrend, correction, again uptrend. So what I am expecting right now is that these corrections are going to get bigger and the rallies are going to get shorter. Like how here it was a bigger rally, smaller correction, bigger rally, smaller correction. So this time around I expect that the correction should be little deeper, the rally should be shorter, and then again the correction should be deeper. This is what I am expecting. Now while price is moving ahead, it is still being able to close at the similar level where we were expecting it. Yesterday I had categorically mentioned that they will be able to take the market to a higher level. Market may reach to a higher level greater than 18,600, but it is difficult for market to sustain at those levels at least for this particular week, right? So this period we will certainly observe that the market will go above. Again they will try to keep it bullish, because while they are trying to make it bullish, the sell off is happening at those points. Okay, so unsuspecting retail, they are probably buying at these levels, but the majority of the positions are created in selling direction, selling scenario. This is something that we have to understand. Now Nifty, we are still at 18,600 level, and now currently we can see that the Nifty is struggling to go up ahead. For now we still have this intraday higher low, which is as our important trend direction or an important intraday higher low. As long as we are above this level, I will not suggest you to create a short positions, but it is still far away. 365 is the level which is where we should see clear profit booking, and I'm expecting price to revisit this level and then again it should bounce to make a lower high. This is what my expectation is. As far as right now Nifty looks stronger, the target of 570 is already done. So now we have to observe this even more. Trading wise, if you ask me, it is much easier to trade in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, the structure is different. If we compare both these indices, you will realize this is how Nifty and Bank Nifty looks like. So Nifty is still made a new all-time high yesterday, and from there it started to give up, whereas Bank Nifty already printed that all-time high on 25th of November and currently showing signs of lower high being printed. So it looks much easier to trade in Bank Nifty. The target still remains, which I had explained to you in yesterday's video. The target for Bank Nifty, can still call it 42,500. This is going to be our target. Now I feel this target might get completed by Thursday or Friday. The way indices are moving, even today I'm expecting indices to show us some bounce. It will not be a one-way fall. So if at all we get a bounce, that bounce will be an opportunity to short. So wait for that bounce to get over. Ideally it is not recommended to trade the bounce or the rally. Let that bounce go away, and then from those levels we should get another opportunity to short. Similarly for Nifty as well, you should get some opportunity to bounce. That bounce should be an opportunity to short, and then you take the trade. This is how the trades are going to be. Currently we are trading on intraday basis only. Just understand this very well, because the structure is not set yet. They are showing some haphazardous gaps, And if you are creating a position, just ensure that you hedge it well, so that even if it goes against you, you will not be losing a lot of money. I had mentioned about stocks like Infosys, TCS and IT. I'll come to that in a bit. But yesterday during the market hours, we had our observations about the correction and profit booking. I'll just quickly share that. This was a fantastic trade by Nitin yesterday in Dabur. So Dabur he was trading. I'll quickly show you. There was a fantastic move in Dabur, and Nitin took this trade day before yesterday, and he was trading this trade in terms of options. He booked majority of his positions around 1236, which is where the price was around 600, and he exited all those positions. Just held on to one particular lot with the profit that he had made. Now yesterday I had given a specific message about longs to be careful. So Nifty longs, be careful now. This was my message at 12:51, and this is the image. This is the chart I shared about both these indices. This was the chart which I shared. Now we have to understand one thing. Nifty longs, we have to be clear. 12:51 this message was shared, and then after that I again mentioned that the risk to reward ratio is in favor of bears. Okay, this was my message at about 100 and this was about 1:12 p.m. Okay, RR in favor of bears, and then after that we saw a quick fall. 115 is somewhere here. Yeah, so this was the period when I mentioned this. This was a period in Nifty. Okay, RR in favor of bears, and then there was a quick fall, dramatic fall that we got, and this was my follow-up message. So this was a follow-up chart for the message. This is the kind of handholding I love to give. Idea is that currently we are in a low VIX environment, so even while trading, I am not creating active options buying positions, so rather focusing on option selling. And if at all, if we get an opportunity, I would love to sell 18,600 call options today for the current expiry. Today, I'll see first half and around somewhere where we get some bounce around, let's say 18,650 or something odd. At those levels, if we get an opportunity, I would love to sell 18,600 call options, which are probably trading at around 100 rupees right now. So we'll take that call for tomorrow's expiry. And currently the strangle, as I explained, it is right now. See the strangle, we have booked one leg, which I keep on forgetting. So when I'm looking at my positions in the trading platform, I often feel that the position is little sour, not that great. But that's not the case. This is the profit that we have booked. And currently this position is showing 28,000 rupees loss. Of course, this profit booking is not being considered here because this was booked couple of days back. So currently it is showing something like this. So 36,650, 665 is the one of the position which is loss making, and 19,200 is another position which is loss making, and against that we can see this 17,600 and 17,500. These are two positions which are helping me. Another trade that I'm optimistic about is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, I'm expecting it to give a move up till a target of up to around 450, right? So Tata Motors is one of the trade which I'm trading right now. You can look for it. Currently I'm holding a very small position, but if we get a positive bias, positive move today, I will increase the position sizing, and then 450 is the target for which we are trading. Just quickly plot. Right, so 446 can be one of the target. If this is crossed, then 456 can be another target. So these are the two targets for me in Tata Motors. Just make most of it, right? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's all what I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Growth Module. I'm signing off. Bye bye.